indicator left, please. The first gate.
Okay.
It's P, and there's a sign, Fahrschule.
Yeah.
And go in. That's a place for the schools. Yeah.
Okay.
No, Fahrschule, the first gate. Here's a coffee on TÜV.
Okay.
Drive a little bit further and go on the right side, please. We have two lines here. And on the right side, that's the parking places for schools. Not on the left side, on the right side.
Okay.
And we drive until here. No? And then the other cars have place enough now and makes the same. Yeah.
Okay.
If we are stopped in front, then other cars have no chance to go in here. Yeah, and we are blocked then. Here we drive until the end, then the other cars have more place.
Yes.
To make this. Yeah. We want to park reverse. Yeah, this is a car, this is a place. We want to park reverse here.
Okay.
Then do it.
This one, that side.
On the right.
Okay.
Reverse. And we go in. Look between the seats. 20%, 80%. 20%, 80%. Yeah, you can use it, but not 100%. Use. Go completely in, huh? So you know, you can do it. The green one is your car, and the yellow is a line for the steering. Okay. Sometimes between the seats, please. No? Move your head. Yeah, like this one. Yeah, 20%, a little bit on the right, a little bit on the right. Right, where's right? That is left. Right.
Okay.
Move
Okay.
the steering right.
Okay, sir.
Move the steering right. Move the steering right. Move the steering right. Move the steering right. So, and now, look what is happening. Better, no? Then you can go there. Okay, the red line is a white line.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, we practice it in the next also. Oh, we have a lot of things we practice.
Yes.
Yeah, a lot of things. No? Okay. Here is an area for TÜV organization. Maybe you have made your theoretical part here.
Yeah,
Or,
here only.
You go
Yes,
here.
yes.
And here's that also the practice part.